So I got the standard CRF250L rear rack, and I've just ground off the paint all around the edges. Got the local engineering place, full bore welding fabrication, to make me up a plate. So then I centralised my rear rack where I need it to be, and I've just taken all the sharp edges off this, smoothed it all up. At the moment I'm just in the process of using my RotoPax grinder with a coarse grit flapper disc on it to grind the galvanising off it to make it easier to weld on there. Make sure you wear eye protection, gloves. And I'm grinding the on where the link actually joins, so that's the bit that's going to be welded onto the plate. Alright, that's all them ones done. I've already pre-marked where I needed my little rack to go. See? It's all going to line up pretty good. So I ground the black paint off of there so I can get a good bond. So I'll put a couple of stitches of welding on there, and that'll make it pretty solid. Got my little 135 amp MIG set up, running gasless wire, and we'll get some tacks on there and put a couple of stitches around it, and hopefully that should be really nice. Just clean the flux off, and a couple of nice little stitches on there. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so I've just put a spot weld on all these guys at the moment, and I'm going to put a bit more welding underneath here and secure them on there, but they're going to be my tie down points, which I'm pretty happy with. Okay, we've got them welded on there, looking pretty good. Be careful where I touch it, she's still going to be a bit warm. Looks pretty good. got some undercoat on it, so we're looking pretty darn good. Alright, so it's all painted up now, looking pretty good. The next thing will be to drill a couple of holes, which I probably should have done before I painted it, so I can get the RotoPax Mount positioned on it, so then I can put my extra fuel storage on it. So I've just put my holes in for my RotoPax Mount, and that's going to go roughly about there somewhere. And I'll just stick some bolts in it and I'll put it back on the bike. Alright, so the luggage plate's finished off, looking pretty good. That's the whole purpose of putting the bracket on, so I can mount my fuel system, or extra fuel, and have better space for tie down. So that worked fabulously. Nice, pretty happy with that.